In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset price scale on TradingView. If your chart looks squished, stretched, or just a little off after zooming and dragging, resetting the price scale puts everything back into a clean, readable view in a single move. The price scale is the vertical axis on the right side of your chart, showing the current price and levels above and below it. When you've been exploring the chart, maybe you've dragged the scale up or down or zoomed in and out, the spacing can get distorted. Resetting tells TradingView to refit the visible price action so you can see candles, indicators, and levels in proportion again. Here's how to do it. Move your cursor over the price scale on the right side of the chart. Make sure you're actually on the scale itself, not the chart area. Your pointer should be on the area with the numbers. Right-click there to open the context menu. In that menu, click Reset Price Scale. As soon as you do, the chart snaps back to a balanced view, centered and scaled to fit what's on your screen. This only affects the panel you clicked on, so if you have multiple charts or indicator panes with their own price scales, you reset each one the same way. A quicker option is to use the keyboard shortcut Alt+. It performs the same action without opening any menus. If it doesn't seem to respond, click once on the chart to make sure it's active, then press Alt and R together. Many traders prefer this shortcut when they're moving fast because it instantly cleans up the view after any zoom or drag. A few helpful notes as you use this. Resetting the price scale won't delete drawings, indicators, or change your time frame. It also won't switch you between logarithmic and linear views. It simply recenters and resizes the current scale. If you reset and nothing appears to change, your chart may already be properly fitted. And if you frequently find your scale drifting, it's often because you've dragged the scale or zoomed a lot. No problem. Just reset as needed to keep things tidy. That's all there is to it. Right-click the price scale on the right and choose Reset Price Scale, or press Alt-R to do it instantly. Use whichever feels faster for you and enjoy a clear, consistent view of your charts every time.